Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to create a 3D model for exercise 11. Okay, so first of all we will create this sketch and then we will extrude it. So select the sketch tool and select the plane. Now we will create this profile first. So simply select center point slot, center point, and distance from center is 40. So 40, enter. Now the outer periphery is of R15, means dia 30. Okay, next thing is we have here a throughout hole of dia 10. So we will create dia 10 circle here also. Okay, next thing is we will create a similar profile here. So dia 30 circle, okay, which is 70 from this circle. So this one and this one 70, and it is 40 from the top. So 40. Next thing is create a circle of dia 10. Okay, next thing is draw a straight line from here. Okay, make it tangent to this circle, then use trim. Further we have to create this profile. Okay, so again slot, create a slot, center to center, its dia will be 7.5 into 2 means 15. Okay, so center to center is 20. So and this center is 30 from this point, so 30, and its horizontal distance is 20 from the center. So this one 20. Okay, next thing is draw a circle here of dia 30. R15 means dia 30. So dia 30. Okay, dia 30. Next thing is create a straight vertical line, make it tangent to this outer circle, similarly this one. Okay, next create a horizontal line, okay, make it horizontal, it's already horizontal, and make it tangent to this circle. Okay, similarly make it tangent to this circle. Next thing is trim unwanted lines, so trim tool and trim this one. So you have your closed profile, click on finish sketch. So this is closed profile, click on this home button. Next thing is select this closed profile, and this is 20, so specify the value 20, then enter. Next thing is create a hole of dia 20 to the depth of 10. So sketch, select the plane. Next draw a circle of dia 20. Finish sketch, home button, then select this profile, this one and this one, and we have to subtract it from main body till 10. So -10, and operation will be cut. Click on the OK. So here we have our 3D model. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.